Welcome to Glider Globe online classes. The topic we are going to discuss today is idioms and phrases. What is the importance of this topic? Bank exam, staff selection commission, at least 5 questions will come. What is a phrase? Which collection of words which will not have any verb or subject in it. Idioms. Suppose emerge out of thin air. If you emerge, come out, thin air. Individually, if you look into it, meaning will be different. Whereas in total, as a phrase, it will have a different meaning. That is called idiom. That we have specified in various sessions. Emerge. Emerge means what? Coming out. Coming out. E-M-E-R-G-E, emerge, out of thin air. Appear suddenly, all of a sudden, unexpectedly, sudden appearance. 13 years ago, with her children almost grown up, she found herself having to search for a career from thin air, emerge out. So understand the meaning. Appear suddenly. Now, what we have to do here? One answer is given. There is no need to rack up and hold quarrel. What we have to find out? This was given in an exam. Find out the idioms and phrases from the options A to D. If none of them fits into it, we have to mark option E. Rack up, that is once again starting an old issue, quarrel, fight, conflict, misunderstanding. What is the answer we are giving? To raise up and old quarrel means what? Race, that means chase. What is race? Horse race we are hearing. A race means chase one by one. To rack up and old quarrel, that is to revive, to find out, to bring to light, to bring to the open venue. Correct answer is not to forget an old quarrel. It is once again reviving, discovering. When I saw him in the morning, he looked like a pluck. Pluck means what? Something blocking. Pluck, unplug. When I saw him, it looked like a... No, it is not pluck. It should be a duck. See here, he looked like a plug in a thunderstorm. A duck in a thunderstorm is the correct answer. Having a dejected or hopeless expression. Dejected, that is disappointed, frustrated. What is dejected? Having met with failure, dejected. Having met with failure, disappointed. So correct answer is, he looked like a duck in a thunderstorm means correct one is a duck in a thunderstorm. I am just a small pie in the office. Pie. That means very, very, very small. Little importance. Small means not in terms of quantity. I am just a small pie in the office. That is the meaning. What is the idioms and phrases? Person or thing of little importance. These two should match. Okay. These two are matching. Humorous means funny. Pune, attender, small creature, that is insect. Okay. Politicians will always be on the riddle in any government, looking for ways to use the positions of power to earn a bit more money. That is politicians will always be on the riddle, to be on the fiddle, to engage in deceitful. What is deceitful? Deceitful means cheating. Okay. Deceit. Cheating. Fraudulent. Unfair methods. Deceitful. Spelling. D-C-I-T-F-U-L. That is to be on the fiddle. For on the riddle in any government, looking for ways to use the positions of power to earn a bit more money. Correct is answer C. I am amazed that she lets him pull her around by the nose like that. Led her by the nose. That means leading. To accompany, to completely control a person, dominate, completely control a person. That is the meaning. Answer D. Lead her by the nose. That means what? Completely control a person. I am definitely not accepting that offer with first inspecting every single detail. I don't want to end up with a cyanide in a poke. What is a poke? Suppose you might have seen cycle tires. Okay. Tires, how it will be? It will be there. Like these rods will be going, right? These are all called pokes. I am definitely not accepting that offer with first inspecting every single detail. I don't want to end up an assassin in a poke. A pig in a poke means what? Something usually of poor quality that someone buys or accepts without knowing much about it. Inferior quality items. inferior quality. Go the, see the answer, this one, B. Meaning, what is the meaning of a pig in a poke? This is the example. Okay. A pig in a poke. Correct one is this one. She has been offered the position of professor of international economic policy at Princeton. Her arm and matter. Whether any error is there. Arm and matter. At a distance, no error. Do you think his criticisms of a robot are valid, or is just a case of the one-eyed monster? No error. Green-eyed monster. Green-eyed. Jealousy. Already we discussed. Too big for one's boots. What is boots? Shoes. That is, we have to find out which is the option. Attempting things which one is not capable of doing. Too conceited. So big that one can hardly believe it. A situation which is extremely difficult to handle. Something which is beyond conceited. Correct. Option is option B. COMCEITED. Too big for one's goods. A thin time. Thick and thin we are using. For relatives what we use? Thick and thin. Thick. Very fat. Thin. Very thin needle we are telling. An uncertain or risky situation. An unconvincing excuse. A period of satisfaction, a period of unpleasantness, poor health, lack of money, the beginning of something that will develop into a much greater event. That is option D, a thin time. Correct answer is option D. That is, he will not have money. He will be sick. He will not be happy. That period of slackness is called a thin time. What is a thin time? No money, no health, poor, that is poor health, no happiness. Tough time rather. Hard time. Very hard time. To hide one's head in the sand. To hide one's head in the sand. What is the option A? To force people to stop arguing. Option B. To keep trying to do something that will never be successful. Option C. To refuse to accept that a problem exists. That is, this person does not accept there is a problem at all. That is called to hide one's head in the sand. What is option D? To be unable to understand something. See, unable to understand something is different from refusing to accept. Mind the difference. To avoid attracting attention to oneself. No, that is not a gimmick. That is not a magic. Hiding one's head means we should not imagine that a person is putting his head in a sand and then showing magic. Not like that. The correct meaning is refusing to accept. I won't accept there is a problem. That is called to hide one's head in the sand. To have a face like thunder, lightning and thunder, we saw while it is raining heavily, lightning and thunder do occur. Thunder with great sound, just like electricity fires. Option A, to appear and disappear suddenly, immediately. That is not the correct option. To have an expressionless face. Expressionless means what? expressionless. That means no expression at all in the face. Whether he is happy or angry. Okay. Nothing can be found. That is called expressionless. No expression. To look very angry. Wrath. What we call? Wrath. W-R-A-T-H. Wrath means very anger. To deal with something that is unpleasant, which is not happy. To be determined to oppose something. Quarrel. Oppose. Correct one is option C. To have a face like a thunder means to look very angry. After breaking his head, Gordon's dream to play professional basketball went up in verbal phrase we are finding now. Went up in smoke. Went up in smoke. The correct answer we would put C instead of this one. Went up in smoke means no fruitful result. Okay. No fruitful result. That is, none of these above is correct. Okay, this one you mark it as E. It is not ruined. Without a scholarship, her dreams of college are likely to go up in smoke. That is, no effort, no positive thing will be there. As per the meaning, correct meaning is no fruitful result. Option B. This one better. Right? She cooks and bakes when she needs to let off some steam. Let off. To go off. Get rid of. That is, what is get rid of? Relieve. Get rid of means G-E-T. R-I-D. Get rid of. Relieved from the problem. Get rid of the problem. Relieved from the problem. To enjoy. To be alone. To play sports. To play something match. None of the above. Which is correct. Let off some steam means get rid of strong emotion. What is emotion? Strong feelings. M-O-T-I-1. Strong feeling. Correct answer is A. Get rid of pent-up energy. The kids can let off steam in the gardens while mom and dad relax for a while. As per the meaning, only option B. Feeling. Option B means enjoy. It is not enjoying. When the children are playing parents are getting relieved of some tension. That's why option A is correct. Gave him the Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu asked US President Donald Trump not to withdraw from Syria and to work to remove Iran from the Syrian area, but Trump gave him the cold shoulder. That is, Prime Minister Benjamin sends some suggestions, some ideas, some requests to withdraw from Syria, but Donald Trump, US President, gave him the cold shoulder. I told you morning itself, cold means not friendly, warm means friendly. What are the options given here? To hurry. What is hurry? H-U-R-R-Y. To hurry. Hurry means quick one. To take something lightly. Not taking lightly means what? The teacher will be taking classes. The students will be taking lightly. That means not interested. Cold shoulder. I told you, ignore. Ignore someone. Disapprove is different. Disapprove means I am considering your opinion, but I will not give the approval on the basis of pros and cons. To ignore someone, that is the correct answer. Option C. Ignore someone. It is opposite of warm welcome. Warm. In the economic survey, it was said that the government's priority should be to flush. Flush means take out, relieve, flush out, remove all dust, unwanted things. To flush farmers out of agriculture. And adding insult to the injury, the survey also quoted Dr. Ambedkar warning about the dangers of romanticizing rural India. Okay. Adding insult to the injury. I will put it in a better way. Suppose a person is having some wound, W-O-U-N-D, in his hand. If somebody adds salt to it, what will happen? It will irritate him more. Same meaning. Adding insult to the injury. Already somebody is having some problem. To making the situation still worse. To avenge something. Option A. That is revenge. Eye for eye. Tooth for tooth. That is option A. Option B. To make a bad situation worse. This is the correct one for this one. To divorce. Willing to deceive. I told you what is a deceive? D-E-C-E-I-V-E. Deceive. Deceiving means cheating. Cunning. What is the correct answer? Correct answer is B. Creativity is something that anybody who is remotely original has to guard very fiercely, passionately, continuously, and both are forcibly as well as with passion, because people just want you to be run of the mill. Now we will see the meanings first. Remarkable. Remarkable means notable. Okay. Excellent. Virat Kohli's performance today was remarkable. That means he hit a ton, 100. Expensive. 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 That means costly. Unlicensed. Licensed means government has given permission. Unlicensed. Not permission. Ordinary. Ordinary means what? Not special. Run of the mill. Mill means ordinary. Option D is correct. Lacking unusual or specific aspects. Ordinary. I was just a very average run of the mill kind of student. That means what? I am a student, but I don't score very high marks as per the meaning above. Only option D, ordinary, fits in with the others not fitting well. Hence option D is correct. The picture he painted of the business is a far cry. That is, which is in bold, which is underlined. For that only we have to find out the meaning. Yeah, far cry. From the perception. The perceptions, expectations, view. What is a perception? Wisdom. Perception. 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 Perception means wisdom, knowledge. The picture he painted of the picture he painted means don't think he had drawn a diagram. The business data he presented, that is what we have to understand. We should not think that in a white paper he had drawn some paintings. Not like that. The picture he painted means about the business, what projection he told is a far cry from the perception. Perception means wisdom the shareholders had before the meeting. Dedicated, at a failure. Very different. Very different means what? Unusual. Astounding. Astounding means thumping. Great success. Astounding means great success. Very great success. Caring and sincere. Correct answer. For a far cry. Correct answer is option B. Very different. That is the correct answer. Here I have told you, a far cry means it is very different from what is being perceived. Perceived. P-E-R-C-E-I-V-E-D. Perceived means understood. Astounding success. A-S-T-O-U-N-D-I-N-G. Astounding success. Commendable. Commendable means what is the meaning? Sign and notable. Remarkable. Action by someone. The other options are completely out of context. Hence option B is the correct answer. Opposition leaders have criticized the government for failing to rein rising fuel prices, which have now turned into a political hot potato. We should not think that potato is boiled, that is hot. That is not the meaning. What are the options he is giving? Interesting issue. Next, justified matter. Court case. Burning topic. Burning topic means what? Hot topic. Topic of the day. Okay. Correct answer what? Hot potato. That means burning topic. That is topic of the day. That is called burning topic. A hot potato refers to any burning topic regarding which people are talking about. Suppose election dates are announced. Immediately today people will think about who will contest, who will not contest, which party will come to power, like that we will be discussing. That is called burning topic. Burning topic refers to something that is very much talked about in the present scenario. Context. C-O-N-T-E-X-T means what? Present scenario. Other options are completely out of context in the given. Hence, option D is correct. Housing in the city these days costs an arm and a leg. Arm and a leg means very costly. Petrol prices are at cost an arm and a leg. That means very costly. What are the options here? He has given very expensive, uphill task. Task means what? He has given job, assignment, tiresome, very exhaustive job, fatal, leading to fate. Correct answer is very expensive. Option A. If something costs an arm and a leg, that means that is very expensive. Uphill task means something very difficult to be completed. Okay. Today you have to study 23 hours. That is an uphill task. Tiresome job refers to something which is tiring. I am exhausted. Fatal. Fatal means what? He met. He died due to an accident. That is become fatal, very dangerous. Hence, option A is correct. The company already does not have the required number of employees. That is staff shortage. And with this project, it has finally bitten off more than it can chew. What a bitten off? B-I-T-T-E-N-O-F-F. More than it can chew. C-H-E-W. So we have to find the meaning for bitten off more than it can chew. Whether it is a difficult task? No. Impossible job? No. Impractical job? No. In detail? No. If you bite off more than you can chew means that you have taken a commitment that you cannot fulfill with your existing capacity. Staff strength is inadequate. That is the meaning. Staff strength is inadequate. If you provide more staff, I will complete the assignment. Impossible means it cannot be achieved at all. Indian politicians love to stage dharnas or sit at the drop of a hat. D-R-O-P, drop of a hat. For that we have to find the meaning. That is the phrasal verb. Quite often taking their political melodrama to ridiculous. Ridiculous means what? Laughable. Funny, very clowny, very funny, laughable levels. Drop of a hat means immediately, instantly. Instantly means at once. At once. diligently. Diligently means as per rules and regulations following. Factual, truly. That means immediately is close, but it is not expect mean doing something without giving any thought. So, correct answer is B. Option B. Instantly. So, drop of a hat means instantly. INSTANTLY.